Hi, this is Dr. S, and this is for beginning 6th grade students at Taft Elementary. And this video is going to talk about where you're going to put your practice pad, because it's essential that your practice pad be below your elbow just a little bit. See, here's my elbow, and the practice pad's a little bit of a distance. Now, ideally, I'm going to turn sideways, and you should relax your hands right at your sides and pick your hands up. And you see the angle in my elbow there? Now, when I go play next to the drum, it should be in the correct position. Okay, so that's the correct position. Now, it's easy for me because I have a snare drum stand and a snare drum here. You don't have those things unless you have that complete kit. They come with little snare drum stands for your pad. Okay, I can put it over here on my vibraphone. Okay, here's a vibraphone. I'll put my little pad underneath there. Maybe it won't slide so much. And you can see, notice that's just below. It's just below my elbow also. Okay, so that's what we're going to try and do. Now, you don't have a vibraphone either, so now I'm going to go around the house. I'm going to show you several places you could probably put your practice pad, and it would work really nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to go to some of the other rooms of my house. You'll join you shortly. Hi, here I am in another room where I work with my practice pad. So what I have here is a couch, and I needed to raise it up just a little bit higher, so I could get my elbows up a little bit. So I put this big pillow here, and I have the chair scooted down as low as it will go. Okay, now I can do that pretty well. So that's a really good solution. Another solution is to have two chairs. And here, let's mimic that. Okay, here I have another setup, which is just two chairs, and that same old desk chair. You can use any kind of chairs you have around the house, especially dining room chairs work really well. You probably have to turn one a little cockeyed so you have room for your legs, so your legs don't get in the way. So now this was just a little bit too low for me to play. This was just uncomfortable. It's not bad, but what I'm doing is I'm going to take two books here, and now I can play on my practice pad. Now this book thing works really, really well. You might be able to use a dining room table, and you can adjust whatever it is. You can adjust it with books or anything like that. Your practice pad's pretty small. So it's, again, really essential that you're able to get your elbows right above the drum. Okay, well, we're back in the studio now. So look around, find a good place for you to start practicing where it's the right level so you can get your elbows above the drum. And remember, you just want to be able to pick your arm up here and have it just above the snare drum. So now I can do the percussion stroke. Look at the tip of my stick now. It goes down, up, down, up, down, up. It doesn't go up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we don't do that. Now you're ready to watch the next video on the grip.